Welcome back to my video. Today you will show how to install Pardus Linux along with Windows. Pardus OS is a free and open-source operating system based on Debian. Pardus is an elegant and robust operating system for personal or corporate use. Pardus Linux is particularly suitable for novice users coming from Windows or Mac OS due to the many built-in options for personalizing the desktop environment and the stability of the tested Debian Linux. Let's begin. Go to the Pardus OS official page. Pardus is a Linux distribution developed jointly by the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey and the National Academic Network and Information Center. It began life based on the Gentoo project before developing its own unique identity. As of late 2012, it is based on Debian. Now go to the download page and you will find several versions of Pardus OS. The most popular versions are Pardus 23.1 XFCE with very low system requirements and perfect for old computers. This version only requires 1.0 GHz plus, 64-bit, RAM 1024 MB plus, 8 GB plus free disk space and graphics processor capable of supporting 1024 by 768 resolution with 16 MB of VRAM. The Pardus 23.1 GNOME version we will install has system requirements. CPU 2.0 GHz plus, 64-bit, RAM 2048 MB plus, 15 GB plus free disk space, graphics processor capable of supporting 1366 by 768 resolution with 16 MB of VRAM. These requirements are also not very high, so I'm sure your computer will meet them. Now download the Pardus 23.1 GNOME version. While we wait for the Pardus Linux ISO image download to finish, we will make space on our disk where we will install the Pardus OS. Open Windows Disk Manager. Right-click Parish C and select Shrink. Now select the amount of space you want to allocate in megabytes. Then press Shrink. Right-click on the empty space and select a new simple volume. Enter a name for the partition and then continue with the next. Confirm and finish. The partition is created. Close Disk Manager. When the download is complete, go to the download folder and copy the Pardus ISO image. Then go to the Ventoy drive and paste the ISO image here. If you don't know what Ventoy is, you can watch my video, How to Make Bootable USB Easy, Install Ventoy Multi-Boot Tool. You can also use Rufus or Balena. If this video is useful to you and you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our next videos. Now you're ready to install Pardus OS. Restart the computer. After rebooting, enter Boot menu. If you don't know how, check in your computer's manufacturer's documentation to see which button is responsible for starting the boot menu. Boot your USB flash drive. Select Pardus ISO in the Ventoy menu. After that, press Enter. Press Enter again. Select the language and continue with Enter. Now select Graphical Installer and press Enter again. In the installer, you can find many languages to install. Select the installation language. Then select your location. Now select the keyboard layout. You can use a different hostname or leave it at the default. Now enter your name, and then the name you want for your account. Here we enter the password that we will use to log into our account. Select your time zone. On partition disks, go to the manual. Here, find and select the partition we made earlier with Windows Disk Manager, and press Continue. Now click on Delete the partition, and then press Continue. Select the free space, and then press Continue. Here, select Automatically partition the free space, and then press Continue. Now select all files in one partition. Now you can see the changes that will be made to your disk. Press Continue. Here, the installer warns you that it will make permanent changes to your disk. Confirm and continue with the installation. Pardus is a Linux distribution developed jointly by the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey and the National Academic Network and Information Center. It started life based on the Gentoo project before developing its own unique identity. As of late 2012, it is based on Debian. The GNOME version, on the other hand, is published to contribute to the community ecosystem and increase the variety offered to end users as well as enterprise solutions. Pardus is an elegant and robust operating system for personal or corporate use. Pardus Linux is particularly suitable for novice users coming from Windows or Mac OS due to the many built-in options for personalizing the working environment. When the installation is complete, remove the USB disk from your computer and click Continue to restart your computer. Now we see the Pardus OS boot menu. From here, we can choose which operating system to boot, Pardus or Windows. If this video is useful to you and you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our next videos. Type your password. Okay, the Pardus Greeter is here. Pardus Greeter is an application that helps you prepare Pardus for the first installation. If you want, you can run the application again later and make changes. You can change the layout. You have a choice of 6 ready to use. Classic style, GNOME desktop. Mac style, with a fixed dock. Ubuntu style, with a fixed left dock. 10 style, with a menu layout similar to Windows 10. XP style, with a menu layout similar to Windows XP. And Pardus style, which is closer to GNOME. You can choose a light or dark theme for your computer. You can change the wallpaper on your desktop. There is a very large choice. You can set a scale for your screen or mouse cursor. You can change the desktop or file manager size. To enable or disable any of the displayed extensions. You can open the Pardus Software Center. We'll look at that in a moment. You can change the clock format. And finally, useful links that aim to help you with the documentation, as well as the Pardus forum, which would also be useful. Pardus Software Center. It is an application that helps you install, uninstall, and update applications on your computer. The applications are arranged by category and are very convenient. You can get detailed information about the applications you want to install. You can write comments for the applications you have installed and see the comments of other users. You can update the package cache and remove unused packages and files, and can view the statistics of the applications. If this video is useful to you and you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our next videos. Now let's look at the Pardus apps. Pardus Update is a program with the help of which you can keep the system constantly up to date. You can set the update check interval as well as set it to be activated at system startup. Pardus USB Formatter is an application that allows you to easily format your USB sticks to 4 popular formats. Pardus My Computer. It is an information and management interface application for disks on your PC. You can monitor the total size, free disk space, and live disk space of your root directory and connected disks on your computer. You can format, mount, and unmount your removable disks connected to your computer. Pardus Font Manager is a versatile application for Linux users, designed to manage and preview fonts with ease. This application allows users to add new fonts to their system, preview them, and manage existing fonts. Pardus Java Installer. It helps you to install Java versions available in the Pardus repository on your computer and also to choose a default Java version. Pardus Image Writer is an application that allows you to burn the image files of Linux-based distributions and Windows operating systems to a USB disk on your personal computer. Pardus About is an application that shows summary information about the PC. Now I will show you how to install Chrome using a .deb package that I will download from the official Chrome website. It's as easy as Windows, just see how. Debian packages give you a lot of options, and you can practically install all the applications you like. Download Google Chrome for Debian. Open the Pardus package installer. Find the downloaded .deb package in Downloaded and install it. When the installation is complete, find Chrome in your applications and launch it. You can always use Pardus shortcuts as well. You can always pin any application to your panel. Now I'll show you how to search for and install apps through the console app. Pardus uses the apt package manager because it is based on Debian. Now we will install the Microsoft Edge browser. Let's look for it first. Enter the command sudo, followed by apt, search, and keywords from the name of the program you are looking for, in this case, Microsoft Edge. Now we can see, in green, the exact name of the package we are looking for. To install it, type sudo, apt, install, and the name of the package, in the case, Microsoft Edge Stable, as listed in the search results. Then press enter. If this video is useful to you and you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our next videos. When the installation is complete, close the console, find Microsoft Edge in your applications and launch it. GNOME Settings is GNOME's main interface for configuring various aspects of your desktop. From here, you can change your desktop or lock screen background and configure language settings. It allows you to configure hardware components such as monitors, printers, mice and touchpads, network adapters, and sound devices. You can also set up user accounts. Let's configure system settings like date and time and many other settings. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your desktop look like Windows 11. I'm going to do this with the help of some of the extensions built into Pardus. Arc Menu is an application menu for GNOME Shell, designed to provide a more traditional user experience and workflow. This extension has many features, including multiple menu layout styles, GNOME Search, quick access to system shortcuts, and more. If you are a new user to GNOME and are looking for a Windows-style start menu, this extension will be perfect for you. Dash to Panel is an icon taskbar for GNOME Shell. This extension moves the dash into the GNOME main panel so that the application launchers and system tray are combined into a single panel, similar to that found in KDE Plasma and Windows 7. A separate dock is no longer needed for easy access to running and favorited applications. Beyond that, just about every aspect of the panel is fully customizable. From positioning and scaling panel elements to running indicators to multi-monitor display, window previews, and even IntelliHide, Dash to Panel has everything you need to make your workspace feel like home. I hope that today's video was useful for you. If so, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our next videos. You can also write to me if you want me to help you with a video for a problem or to show you something. Thank you for watching. Take care.